What's going on, everybody? TG here, back with another video. Hope you guys had a great new year. Let's start this year off right. Let's hit that like and subscribe button, and let's jump right into this video. This is all about stocks versus cryptocurrency. Which one I like better, which I'm going to use in the future, and which I think you guys are safer putting your money into. Now, cryptocurrency has been on an absolute tear recently. Bitcoin, if we look at this thing, has just absolutely soared in the past couple of months, going up hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of percent, over 300% in the past month alone. It is incredible the run up that Bitcoin has had. Now, I have to say, I'm a little nervous about the amount it has run up in the time that it has. Now, obviously, I do believe in cryptocurrency. I think it's a great space, but I'm a little worried as how much it has actually run up and the amount that is run up. You talk about some of these cryptocurrencies like VeChain and some of these weird cryptocurrencies. There's too many, in my opinion. These companies are not backed by anything. It's purely spec, and it is very risky. We look at companies, on the other hand, like stocks, like a company like Amazon. It's backed by earnings. It's backed by numbers. It delivers products. It makes money, and that's why it can go up in value. These are going up purely on speculation that one day they will be used. Right now, unfortunately, we are not using cryptocurrency. We are using, US dollar, the euro, the yen. We're using that, and I don't see our financial systems changing anytime soon. So there's a lot of money in the market right now. $886 billion worth of crypto right now. Okay? That's a little alarming. That's a lot of money into a space that is very speculative. Now, I own crypto, okay? I'm not trying to be biased. I own crypto. I own a lot of XRP. Now, XRP obviously has been getting the shit kicked out of it recently, and it's not that good. But it doesn't take away from the fact that crypto is risky, and we've seen what can happen. The SEC puts a lawsuit on XRP, and it just absolutely plummets. Okay, this can happen to many cryptocurrencies. It can happen to anything, They threaten the financial systems and they can be shut down. Personally, I am almost going to be out of crypto. If XRP does run up, I'm probably going to sell and I'm going to put it back into the stock market. I think stocks are a better investment. I think they're safer, and I like to be safe, especially in my position now. I've taken a lot of risks to get this amount of money. I don't want to blow it all. Okay, I did a lot of risky plays at first, when I had like 5,000 and, doubles it to 11,000. I've done a lot of risky stuff back then. But now that I have a higher portfolio value, I don't want to lose this. Preservation of capital is just as important as making gains. And for me to go and try and, buy these cryptos that have already run up 300% in the past month, backed by nothing, it's a little risky for me. So I'm going to try to be safe. I'm going to try to be smart. And I'm going to try to hold on to my stocks and my options. Options are risky enough as it is. I would rather do something that I can do research on. I can research these companies. I can look at their financials. I can see catalysts coming. These things can crash at any time, as we've seen. One little news comes out, or sometimes it doesn't even need news at all. Like look at 2017, what happened. Crypto was flying high, and then 3 weeks later, it was down 60% from where it was. And, it's just not worth it for me. I'm currently trying to invest in companies, and I'm going to let my portfolio grow. We've been doing pretty well recently, and we want to keep this up. And I don't want to wreck what I have right now. So it's a very important thing for me to do, is to be smart with this, because that's really about investing. It's making the smartest financial decision, and that's what I'm trying to do. I'm not bashing on crypto. I think crypto is great, but at the time being, I don't think it's worth the risk. Buying crypto at these prices, I think they're, a little too high for me. Some people think that Bitcoin's going to go to 100K. If you really truly believe that, then buy it at 33,000. But why not wait for a pullback where it maybe goes back to the 10,000s like we've seen multiple times? All right, so I'm going to stick with stocks. I'm going to stick with solid companies, Amazon, Apple, Nvidia, Alibaba, Microsoft. Solid Fortune 500 companies that are backed by solid numbers and have shown that even in the worst situations, they can grow. So that's what I'm going to be doing. That's where I'm putting my money. Let me know what you guys think about crypto and about stocks. But really, my goal is just to consistently grow this account, try to get about 35% a year. We basically did that. We did decent. We got about 35% this year, or for the past year and a half, my bad. Since we started in about, September 20th, we started trading. So We're going to try to do that and try to stay consistent and build this account up to 100,000 by the time, hopefully, in about a month and a half. I would hope so. So that's what we're going to try to be doing. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below if you're into crypto and if you're into stocks and what you're going to be looking forward in 2021. I have a big video coming out pretty soon about my top picks for 2021, but for right now, these are my thoughts on crypto versus stocks. Let me know what you guys think below, and have a wonderful day. Bye.